Math 102, example 1.1.4. Here we'd like to talk about functions. So a function is a relation in which every element in the first set corresponds to exactly one element in the second set. Basically what that means is your x value can't repeat. And that's a good definition to use when we've got lists of numbers. So looking down at part A of our example, I've got the numbers 1, 2, 2, 2, and 3, 4. Here, all of my x values are different, so yes, it is a function because x does not repeat. Y repeats, but it is perfectly okay for that to happen. What about in B? I've got 1, 2, 1, 3, and 4, 5. Here, I've got repeated x values. So this is not a function because x repeats. Now, this definition is great when we've got sets of numbers, but it can be a little bit harder if we've got pictures. So for that, we're going to use the vertical line test. So this says if every vertical line intersects a graph in no more than one point, then that graph is a function. So let's hop back down to my example and look at C here. That's basically an oval. So here, if I draw a vertical line right here, it's more or less straight, I've just hit that function, or that graph, I'm sorry, in two locations. So that is not a function. What about part D here? I've got a straight diagonal line. I can draw a number of vertical lines, and they're all hitting it just the one time. So yes, that is a function. In fact, that is the linear function, which we will look at in more detail very soon.